have that. Okay, sabay-sabay tayo. Ready? 1, 2, and go. Very good. So, marami tayong tinatawag na harmonization exercise, pero ito yung pinaka-basic. No? Now, the thing is that you need to have this portion na to para ma-feel ng mga choir nyo na, oh, ito pala yung feeling ng blending. No? Especially sa mga new singers. No? Kasi minsan yung mga new singers natin, hindi nila na-feel yung, oh, ito pala yung blending. No? Something like that. So that is the harmonization exercise. And then, this time, haluan natin ng konting dynamics. Okay? Now, I want you to project sa dulo, Luya! So, pag gumanon yung kamay ko, it means you're getting loud. No? And then this one, get the soft. Okay? Okay, let's try it again. Sige, sir. Okay. Okay, very good. Now, isang ganun. Yan. Okay. By the way, I want you to train your singers na isang chord lang, bang! And then, they can get their pitches. No? Nung panahon ko kasi sa choir, gano'n, uso yun eh, isa-isa, pam, 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 no? Pero ngayon kasi, hindi na pwede. Magagaling si choir master, o kaya pag medyo stricto yung conductor, ano yan? Di ba? Pero syempre, we don't want to be cruel. Just kidding. Anyway, yeah, one chord and then you get your pitches there. Okay, ready, sir? Then, sabay-sabay na, and.
Good day, choir masters and choir members. Ray Santos here. And mga choir master and choir members, naghahanap ba kayo ng mga vocalization para sa inyong choir, no? Vocalization na madadaling vocalization pero very, very useful. If naghahanap kayo, inanyayahan ko kayong mag-avail ng aking ebook, no? Yung aking ebook na 25 Easy Vocalization Techniques for Choirs. Yan. Ano bang nilalaman ng e-books na to? Of course, meron tayong 25 na madadaling vocalization, no? So, sa kada vocalization, pinaliliwanag natin yung kanyang purpose at saka yung kanyang technique, no? So, mahalaga na ipinaliliwanag ni choir master kung bakit natin ginagawa yung isang particular vocalization na yun, no? So, meron tayong explanation doon na kung ano yung purpose niya at ano yung technique na nade-develop sa kada vocalization. So, yan yun, no? And then, meron din tayong mga harmonization exercise na pwede nating ipagawa sa ating mga members para mas maging maganda yung kanilang blending. Yan. So, if you're interested, no, at baka ito magamit nyo sa inyong mga choirs, no? So, you can avail this, no, itong aking ebook na to. You can click the link below this video para makapag-avail kayo. Para naman sa mas mabilis, no, para sa mas mabilis na transaction, you can PM us dito sa Ray Santos Choir Masters Guide. So if you're interested, PM na or you click the link below this video. Okay? So God bless and bye-bye!